The Miss Niue and Miss Teen Niue pageant is around the corner, but the response so far has been quite poor. Up to date, there are 2 unconfirmed entrants for the Miss Niue category and 2 entries for the Miss Teen Niue. Organizers say that confirmations are needed as soon as possible, as the pageant is only a few weeks away. When asked whether one deterring factor may be the $300 entry fee, organizers said that this is not the case and it is only a slight change from the previous pageant. It has been difficult as many potential candidates are simply not ready or available this time round. The categories for the pageant include the pre-pageant speech contest, cultural wear, talent section, the Pareo evening wear, and a new category, the creative fresh category with outfits to be made of fresh leaves and flowers. Miss Niue Aotearoa Maria Miss Messi will also be competing in the pageant that will be held on the 7th of August.